League universe and following all the updates was around the time when Zoe got released. After Zoe, I don't know what any of the champions do. So when I'm laning with them, it's like, alright, cool, let's find out what you do. 327, 50x on each of those, good luck. Number 13. Nice and easy. No lightning though, but we can always go for the next round. Never know when the number's gonna run. When is the 500x? I don't know. Somewhere behind the screen, hiding, waiting for its premiere. Could be the next round. Could be 100 rounds from now. We don't know. Let's see. Boom. Alright, what do we got? Speaking of 500x, ladies and gentlemen, check out that zero. What's under that zero? 500x. Can we hit the zero? Come on. We cannot hit the zero. Number 7. The 7 is here. So many people spamming that zero. I mean, I guess zero, since it is that unique number, and you know, it's not low, it's not high. Like many people do have a straight up on zero. So for zero to hit lightning, that's huge. And well, let's see then. Is that? Well, we already saw that didn't happen. But maybe we can get another one, right? Maybe another 500x, like 100x on zero, or another 500x. Number 23, ladies and gentlemen, 23 with a 500x again. Another chance. And we see 34. I've had 500x on zero. Well, essentially, since this game has been around for, well, quite a while, every single number has hit with that 500x, so, well, at least I hope. I mean, there should be that every single number has hit with a 500x in the last year and something. I don't know exactly how long. I think Lightning got released in 2018, late 2018, maybe early 2019. No, it was 2018, right? Anyway, 10, 22, 33, 100x on 33, rest a bit lower, good luck. $26. Alright, cool. 26 here, even and high. 1000 Spiel, hardest number of the wheel. Not enough time to click all my spots. Can I preset it without betting? Once the betting time starts, you can click the button, repeat the last bet, and then you can like select the remaining numbers, and then you can just keep clicking that repeat bet button or go for autoplay. I don't know about the whole preset situation. Yeah, you can try to make it in 2 spins and then click that repeat button. 15, 19, 21, 100x on each of those 3 numbers. Number 18. How does the 50x work? If it hits my number, do I get my 35x and 50x and only 50x? Only 50x. And the straight up payout for a number is in regular roulette it's 35 to 1. Here it is 29 to 1 or 30x. So if you have €1 on zero, if zero hits without lightning, that's 30 euros back. Alright, 3 lighting numbers, 6, 14, and 25. 14 highest one with 100x. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Number 14 red with a beautiful 100x right there on top. 330 lightning winners getting paid 100x. The bet, the straight up bet, of course, on this number 14. KH on the top of the winners list with 4,600 euros. Following him is Abby with 2,300, 3,300 for K. CU with 1,500, 1,500 for Mitchell. So many great wins. Congratulations to y'all. But the bets are closed already going into the next round. So let's get those lightning numbers on the screen, of which we have 3, 8, 23, 24. Can we do back-to-back lightning? That 8 looking nice with 100x. Round and round it goes, lands in number 5. Alright, cool.